Hi, today I'm going to make these wax diyas and also show how to decorate them individually. To make these diya candles, the materials you require are some wax. You can use fresh wax like this one, or you can use the reused ones like the candles which have melted and the wax you have left. This is a cord for candles. So you can use any cord, basically any cotton cord. A wooden stick depending on the size of the diya. So it should be slightly bigger than the diya. And a diya, a terracotta diya I'm using. And this is some glitter. Very light glitter, not metallic. So this is golden in color. So take a saucepan, and since this already has wax in it, I'm just going to put this according to the size. I'll just cut it and put it in this. So I've taken out a little piece of the wax and now I'm going to melt. Now to make the wick of the candle, just take a piece of the cord and put it in the diya. Just sort of see how tall, how high you want the length of the cord. So this is about this much, and I'm taking a little more extra. So I'll just cut out this piece like so. And please make sure that you use a thick wad of newspaper, because you're dealing with wax and it's hot. Now as you can see, this has started melting. So I'll just take this string that I cut and drop it in the wax. So that's properly coated. And now just take it out and put it on the newspaper. And sort of straighten it out like this and let it dry. After the string has hardened, now just wind it a bit on this stick. And then just put it in the diya. Like this. And now the wax is also melted, as you can see. So I'll just put it in the diya. And then just let it set a bit. Now this is dried a bit, just a bit. So now just take the glitter and tap it lightly on the wax. So again, as I said, this should be the light one, which sort of floats on water. And now I'll just let it set completely. So this is how it will look after it's set. So I'll just cut the wick, the extra wick. And this is how the candle would look. So I've made others in different colors. For colors, you can either use candle wax which has left over, or you can put a wax crayon while melting the wax. Now in order to decorate all these diyas, not just this, the others also, I'm going to use all this. So this is a glitter foam sheet. These are some beads and white colored rhinestones. This is acrylic color. I've taken red in color, which you can take any color that you like. These are some pistachio shells, mirrors, and rhinestones in different colors. And this is a string, multicolored string that I have. So I'll start with this. So I'll just take, this is actually a bead in a shape of flower, So just apply some glue and stick it on the rim. Like so, and then I'm just going to stick the mirror. So I'll just apply the glue and stick these. Like so. So I'll just stick all around. So this is how it will look. Very pretty and glittery. Now I'll go on to the next one. On this also I've stuck these flowers on the edge. And now I'm going to stick these rhinestones in any design. So now I'll just apply some glue. And take one stud and stick it on it. So you can use any color combinations. I'm using white and blue. Like so. So I'll just finish the entire diya. And this is how it will look after I finish this. A very pretty diya. Now for the third one, I'm going to use these dories, this dory and these rhinestones to cover this. So just take the dory first and apply glue and just stick it on this. So I'll just stick it. So this is how the diya will look after I finish this. Very nice and delicate. Now I'm going to make the next one. So on this I'm going to take these pistachio shells and I'm going to paint them in dark pink. You can use any color that you like to paint them. So just paint the inside of the pistachio shell. Like so. And I'll paint the others also. So this is how the shells would look after I've colored them. Now I've taken golden glitter. So now just apply some glue at the edge, right on the rim of the shell. A very thin layer. And then just dip it lightly in the glitter. So this is how it will look. So I'll do the rest with the rest the same way. And this is how they look after they've been painted. Now I'll just apply glue on the diya and put these on broadside inside and slightly upright. So this is how I'm going to do it. So I'll just stick all of them one by one next to each other. So this is how it will look after it's finished. For this diya, I'm going to use glitter foam sheet in blue color. These are rhinestones in blue, a blue flower, yellow colored rhinestones, and these are teardrop shaped rhinestones in white. So now I'll just first draw a shape of a peacock head actually. and then just going to draw till here. And then just to draw the back, I'll just make a tail like this. So I'll just cut these out. So I've cut these two stencils. This is for the tail and this is for the head. So I'll just trace this out on the glitter sheet. So this is how the pieces would look. I've cut two mirror images of the neck. So I'll just stick these together. And this I'll just stick on the front. And stick this on the diya. You just have to hold it till it dries. While this is drying here, I'll just stick the eyes. So just apply some glue on both sides. And stick this teardrop shape. Like this. And let this dry. Now if you notice, I've cut this curve in the same shape as the bottom of the diya, base of the diya. So I'll just apply some glue here. Like so. And stick this in front of the tail. Like this. So this is how it will look. Now I'm just going to stick these studs alternately, one yellow, one blue, on the rim of the diya. So I'll leave a little space here behind the neck and start away from it. So just start with the blue. Like this. So I'll just finish the entire rim. So I have these two studs. I'll just stick one on top of the other. Like this. Let it dry. Meanwhile, I'll take this flower. So I'll just stick it here at the base of the neck. Apply some glue. And stick it here. Apply some glue on top of the head and stick these. On top like this and leave it to dry. And this is how it will look. So you have all these diyas and different ways to decorate for Diwali.